Okay, my friends, today at our homeschooling, we are going to learn how to make Uncle Z's world famous salsa. And Carson's going to do this for us, right, Carson?
Yep.
So one of the perks of being a patient at Nelson Family Orthodontics is you get secret family recipes for the very best salsa you've ever tasted. So, Carson, why don't you do us the honors? Start off by, now this is kind of a cheat code, but I put a little bit of store-bought salsa at the bottom just to make it like a little more tasty. So, I'm sorry, that's cheating. It's not completely 100% fresh. Let's just dump the whole thing in. We're gonna be indoors for a while. Yes. Okay. Excellent, Carson. Great work.
Yep.
He's a fantastic student. Okay, next we're gonna dump all this stuff in. So we have 2 limes here. We have 2 heads of cilantro. We've got like 12 Roma tomatoes. Here's another secret of the pros. Let's put the cilantro in underneath, because if you put it in last, the blender has a hard time mixing it up. The less you blend, obviously, the more chunky. If you want it fine, you let that baby run. There we go. This cumin is the worst. I'm just gonna guess and say it's a tablespoon of cumin. So we add a little bit of salt in there. Okay, she's all blended up. Ooh boy. Here we go. What kind of chips you got there?
Got the
Oh, baby. Okay, those are the best chips, by the way.
I love them.
Yeah?
That's really good.
Well, here they come. Here they come. Here they come running. World famous salsa.